So welcome back. I want to talk about the last video. If you watched it or you remember, there were some 3D printing parts and one of it broke today. I want to change it to a better one, but when it breaks then maybe it's not the optimal part. So we talk about that now. It's an FDM printer and a lot of parts I show today are SLA parts, so you can't print them with just an FDM printer. Have fun! Therefore, I will start with this OEM cooling reservoir cap. And as you can see, because of the sun radiation, it becomes very brittle and has a lot of clefts and stuff. And therefore I try to find a solution, and there we come to these parts. Yeah, I have a lot of prototypes right now, so ignore these ones. And at first this one was the nylon part, which I showed in the last video. It has a lot of problems. Like here, you can open it and see. So this is not really tight, and yeah, it was not for the right temperature, and you see the filaments right here. So I wasn't really happy with it. And the next one is PETG. It has the problem when I heat it to more than 90 degrees. You can see here that it get another form or becomes deformed, and this is why this material was not good enough for my properties I want. And then I thought I had this solution. And I was so proud to present this one in my last video, and today I just want to remove it, or remove the tube of it, and then it breaks, or it broke, whatever, it broke. And this is because it became very brittle, I think. So it's really strong. I don't know why, but as you can, if you watched my last video, you saw that this one was a little bit under tension in one direction, and maybe because of the changing from hot to cold, and this every time the engine starts, it's possible that this would be the problem, or this was the problem, and that is why I never give up. So this was a resin or SLA part, but with normal resin. And now I have this one got today, and this one is a high temperature resin part in of course clear, not white anymore, but this doesn't matter. And you can see here the helping structures and stuff. I can remove that. Here it is. So this is the new, of course you have here the AW11 in it, and you can have a see-through. It's really cool. And as you can see, this is one for the atmospheric pressure and the other one for the tube coming onto it. And now I got just a rubber plate from the construction market here. And we will use this again in this one because it's the same components or the same dimensions. And I hope this really helps. If you are interested in 3D printing as well, and of course car parts, then maybe this video helps you to find the right manufacturing process. So you have a lot of locations where you can print it. Sometimes you can print it in a library or in sharing spaces. And these resin printers are bigger and more for industrial function. I will use this one right now. And this will be my next thing. Next project is the
Digital Togo project.